In this one we're interested in the net dipole. I'm actually going to redraw this. Now keep in mind also that there are a whole bunch more answers down here as well that you can't see on the screen. But I'm going to go ahead and redraw this so it's a bit bigger, so I can draw the dipoles on a bit more easily. Now a little bit about the notation here. This wedge is indicating that the hydrogen is coming out of the screen, whereas this dash here is indicating that the hydrogen is going into the screen. So what's going to happen here is we're going to create some dipoles here. Now in order to do the dipoles properly, I have to figure out which out of oxygen or hydrogen is going to be more electronegative. So I go take a look at the periodic table and I'm looking for what's closest to fluorine. So hydrogen and oxygen, you can see the oxygen is closer to fluorine. So that's the one that's going to get the dipole, or it's going to get a delta minus, and then the hydrogen gets a delta plus. So when I draw out the dipoles, they look like this. Oops. Let me make it so it's a bit more parallel. That's better. And the arrows have to go towards the oxygen like this. Now the net dipole, or the sum of these two dipoles, will go directly in between them and in the same direction. So the dipole, when these two are added together, will look like this. And that direction there would be, let's see, be southwest is what is the one you'd pick for that one there.